to a trout-tastic day.
Yep, we're gonna try to catch some trout in the Black Hills. Something Alyssa's never done.
Yes, Jeremy has me trading in 80-pound test for literally 8-pound test. 6-pound test.
Plus 6 pounds.
And I have to learn how to use my drag today. Otherwise, I ain't catching fish. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So, hopefully we will catch fish.
Yeah, where we're going, it's mostly brown trout.
Okay.
The creek we're going, so that's what we're gonna target first. We'll see how it goes. There's a lot of people out this weekend, so
we're gonna go get our toes wet in the water.
Yeah.
See how cold it is, and
Nice.
I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, babe, show me the waist.
Yep, let's take a little show.
They're like, what's she doing? Look at that freaking background. My shoes. Jeremy got me water shoes. Water shoes. It's just like crazy. It's crazy like starting my video and seeing, what's this? A bag for them.
Is it really?
Yeah. But it's crazy even looking at this video and seeing the background. Look at the background.
Mm-hmm.
Time to fish. Man, that thing starts moving. Get it, you little freak. Get it. That's a good one. Oh yes, someone get it. Come on. Oh, you'd be so good if I could keep you. Get in here. Woo! Wah! Finally. Look it.
They're so hard to hold.
I'm like trying to show myself. Oh my gosh, that's cool. I've never caught it. No, because what do we catch? Rainbow trout. Dang. All right, so not a eater.
No, we can let him go.
Okay.
Is he gonna make it?
He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. All right, so I guess I need one bigger than you. Bye. Bye. You're going the wrong way. What? A what? A jumper. He's crazy. He's different. No, he's not. He's the same. Yes. Oh my goodness. Why is he so cute? Oh my gosh, what the hell? Oh, he's freaking so cool. Bye.
Oh, there he goes.
I'm like, seriously, this camera just shut off the second. Ah! You're freaking so cool. Oh, yeah. I have to let them eat it a little bit, otherwise they don't.
Listen like crazy because I haven't been letting them eat it.
Birdie baby.
Alyssa went down the way to try these little guys in this area. They keep chasing it, but they'll like, oh, he's pretty.
Look at his lip.
Oh yeah.
Look at his lip. I don't know what he's got going on. Poor guy. I don't know what he's got going on. Poor guy. Okay. Kisses for you. Bye. Oh, I should get. Whoa. Loki has to come with bread. I have to pop that freaking bail open. Oh my gosh. But I have to pop that bail open the second they start biting. Otherwise, they feel any tug and they're like, ow! Dunzo. Oh my gosh. Super cool. Okay. Let's go release him. Pew! Look at his colors though. Super pretty. Oop. Dun, 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 dun. Bye. Okay, they're cool. I like them. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to use drag. I don't know how to use drag, but I'm getting there. Dun, 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 dun. Hey. Oh yeah, he has reds. He's What the? I saw this hook you're giving it. Oh, hi. Super freaky. We found a cool dinner spot, but we had to try and catch some fish first because that's what we do. Silly. Oh my god, and a tree. Ah! Well, that's how it's what it's meant for.
Little guy.
Is this in your way? Dinner ready. We'd eat them. Uh-oh. Ah! He did? He's a goodie. I just got my butter on. Alright, I better at least get my potatoes on before I cast this out again. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, that's fun. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love my outdoor kitchen. It could be anywhere I want it to be.
Calm down. Oh, he's just going crazy.
Poor pepper, Midwest seasoning to use because it's so good. Yay! Woo-hoo! Quick escape, quick escape. Bye. I did. He got off the hook quick.
Babe. Just like as soon as I dipped it in, it was like whoop. Here you go. She's catching trout and I'm getting ready to eat food she just cooked.
Oh yeah.
That look delicious. That look delicious.
Thank you guys for joining us on our trout-tastic adventure.
Yeah, we had a good time. Caught a lot of trout. It was a beautiful place. Cooked some food. It looks like cooked up some good food. So, yeah, a lot of brown trout. But it was fun. You had a good time? She looks tired. So we might need to go find the spot to bear down for the night until tomorrow morning. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all the things. We appreciate it. Stay wicked, y'all.